Hello, everyone. Are you ready to take it? Emmanuel Bazil here from emmanuelbazil.com, and welcome to my Take It review. Take It will be released on February 18th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm here in the dashboard of Take It where I'm going to show you exactly how to create a campaign and tell you exactly what this cloud based software can do for you. In a nutshell, Take It will allow you to clone any page from the web. And it doesn't matter how popular the page is, could be CNN, could be ESPN, you can clone that page legally. And when you clone that page, you'll be able to promote your affiliate offers. You'll be able to build your list. You'll be able to do a lot with that page once you clone it. And all you'll have to do is drive traffic to that page. Before I go through the process of creating a campaign and showing you exactly how Take It works and what the cloned pages look like, I want to talk with you about some bonuses that I've put together that will help you with Take It. Let's take a look at bonus number one. Bonus number one is geared towards basically giving you strategies, tips, and tricks that you can use so that you can maximize your profit with Take It. These are going to be very good tips that if you put them into action, you're certainly going to see results. That's bonus number one. Bonus number two. Bonus number two is geared toward helping you and get in the right mindset. This is affiliate marketing, and when you start doing affiliate marketing, there are some tendencies that are pitfalls. This bonus is going to cover what those pitfalls are and how to avoid them and stay on the right track to success. That's bonus number two. Bonus number three is basically gonna help you set up Fiverr gigs, because if advertised correctly, you can certainly sell these pages on Fiverr and make even more money. So that's another way you can monetize, Take It, and earn even more money. So bonus number four, of course, is about traffic. Bonus number four is going to help you with what I call unlimited traffic, because this method or strategy, if done correctly, you can potentially have unlimited traffic. And that's what you're going to learn if you should decide to pick up, Take It, and get this bonus number four. Bonus number five is basically all the vendors' bonuses. There's going to be a link when you pick up the product, and that link will take you to the page where you can download all the vendors' bonuses. Now let's take a look at the sales page. Breakthrough software clones any page in seconds and instantly monetizes. That is actually true. And when I went through the process of cloning a page, the best monetization process that came to my mind was basically CPA offers. Because with CPA offers, you can actually present the site visitor with a little pop up that will gently come up on the screen where they will just read the offer and click on it. And once they click on it, you make money right there. So CPA offers going to be the best thing to use, Take It for. Now, I'm going to let you go through the page on your own time. Basically, you'll be able to read about the product and everything they have to say about it. But one thing that I want to point out to you is the income proof. I always like to show the income proof because here you're seeing the kind of numbers that people have been doing with Take It. All these numbers are possible. Now, the reason I put bonus number two and my listing of bonuses is that it's actually going to help you to stay focused, because there's a lot of things that are going to distract you. And to stay away from these distractions, you need the message from bonus number two. And if you do follow those what you're being told in bonus number two, you will certainly stay focused and be able to earn this kind of money, which means you're going to be able to use the product to the fullest. And only using the product to the fullest can you earn this kind of money. There are some upgrades that come with Take It. Let's take a look at them now. The front end, which is your initial purchase of Take It, is going to cost you $19.97. and you're going to get the full software and the trading that comes with it. That's your front end purchase, 1997, and is going to go up to 2195, I believe, shortly thereafter. Now, with the upsell number one, that's the maximum edition, which is going to be a done for you recurring campaign. Now, let's say you don't want to go through the learning curve of just your first purchase for $19.97 and learn exactly how everything works, and you just want to speed your way through the process. You can actually get the maximum edition for $67 and have everything done for you. Upsell number two, now that's going to be so basically with your clone pages, as I explained to you previously. Now the site visitor is going to have this just little pop-up gently come up, and they're going to be able to click on it. And previously, I mentioned to you that you could use that for CPA offers. Now, with this upsell, what's going to come up when this pop-up gently come up is going to be high ticket items, high ticket offers. So when the user click on that, it's going to take them to a webinar. If they should decide to watch that webinar and purchase the product, the high ticket product, which is usually around, for example, $1,000, and you could potentially make a 50% commission on that $1,000 and earn a quick $500. That's basically what this upsell number two is about, and it's going to sell for $197 with a downsell of $147. Now, upsell number three is the take it effects. So, selling for $97. So that's going to basically help you with your conversions. So your pages, your clone pages, you can potentially add a lot of effects to them. You're going to get about 40 of them that you can pick and choose based on the niche, based on different factors, which effect that you're going to use so that you can increase your conversion. That's that's the upsell number three here. Upsell number four is unlimited traffic. So there is nothing said about the unlimited traffic, but you can imagine if it's unlimited traffic, it's got to be a good thing, and it sells for $197. So think about the bonus that I've included, where I mentioned unlimited traffic, including this one for $197. You can pick and choose which one you want to go with, but nonetheless, that tells you you're going to have plenty of traffic for your cloned pages so that you can run your CPA offers, or if you should decide to get upsell number three, you can have plenty of traffic sent to your high ticket items so that you can make the big bucks that you're seeing on the sales page. And upsell number five is basically a resale right. You're gonna be able to take this product and sell it as your own. Good, earn earn money on this entire funnel. Now the vendor doesn't say if it's 100%, so I can't say you're gonna earn 100%, but I know you're gonna earn uh, some income, if not 100% on this entire funnel, if you should decide to pick up upsell number five for $97. As promised, let's take a look at Take It. I'm here in the dashboard of Take It. This is what you will see when you first log into the application. This is the campaign manager. Here, what we're looking at are basically campaigns that's already been created. And this is what you'll see. So when you initially log in, it'll be empty here until you create your first campaign. These are created already. So the first link you can click on, so you will go through the training. As I told you, there's training available with this product, is the training tutorials here. When you click on this link, it will open up all the training that you can go through and learn how to use Take It correctly. And the second one that I want to point out to you before we go to campaigns is the opt-in subscribers. As I've mentioned to you previously, when a subscriber, or when someone visits one of those clone pages, they will have a pop-up comes up where they'll have the option to subscribe. And if they decide to subscribe, those subscribers will come up here in this up 10 subscribers. That's where you'll see all of them show up. And you'll be able to, when you decide to download these records, these emails, and upload them into your autoresponder. I wanted to point out that out to you first before moving into campaign. And under campaigns here, you have the option to manage your existing campaigns or create a new campaign. So let's go ahead and create a new campaign. You click here on new campaign. So let's give the campaign a name, and let's decide which page we're going to clone. So I'm here on CNN's website, and I've decided to clone this particular page right here. So I'm going to grab the URL for this page, gonna go back to the application, and I'm gonna put that page here. Now these are this template that you have the option of selecting here. There's going to be the different types of forms that the user is going to be able to see when that pop-up comes up. So you can pick any of them. You can test them, see which one converts best. Just for now, we'll just select one. I'll select the invite form. And once I select the invite form, see here you'll be able to put in your own images to customize it as much as possible. And here these fields are mandatory, so you'll have to put in a heading. So for a heading, I'll just put in join us. And this is also mandatory here, the button text. Join us here. And here you'll have to put a description. So if you have an offer, that's where you'll put the description for your offer. If it's a CPA offer, you put that description there. If you're trying to get the viewers to subscribe to your list, you put something attractive here to get them to actually to convince them basically to subscribe to your list. And if you have a redirect URL, you can put that one there as well. So there's a lot of options available to you. You know, pop-up settings. If you want to have them basically click on different offers, different whatever else that you have that you want them to do, you have the option here to select those things, and you can even add animation. So it's a lot of options that you have available to you once you get in here, so that you can add as much customization to your clone page. So let's save and publish. Now I'm getting an error here that the main description cannot be empty. So that's one of the drawback here. Once you do not complete something, you actually have to go back and uh, and put in everything all over again. So let's just put join us again, and then we're gonna say okay. Okay, so I've completed the main description. I think we should be able to proceed. So let's try again. Save and publish. And success. So the campaign has been created. Basically, this page that I showed you earlier now would have been cloned. So let's take a look at our clone page. As you can see, this is the exact duplicate of that page. And this is the pop-up that I was referring to. So you can test the different pop-ups and see which ones are gonna work best for you. So this one would work best for a CPA offer, for example, where the user would just click on it, and once the user clicks on that CPA offer, you would earn some commission. So as the user is basically going through here and reading this news article, this clone page which looks pretty much exactly like this page, or it is very similar to it, would just pop up, and they could basically read that article, click on as they are reading the article, then they would have that pop up, and they'd have to interact with this pop up, whether you get a subscriber or you get some commission from a CPA, some of CPA offer. So that's basically the application in a nutshell. As you can see, the page that you get is pretty much very similar with the original page. Now, what's going to make a huge difference, as you can see, it's not identical, but what's going to make it look even closer to the original page is the different components that are available to you and the upgrades. There, if you remember the upgrade, one of the upgrades, let's go back. One of the upgrades here offers you 40 effects. Now, if you should pick up this upgrade, you're going to have 40 effects that you're going to be able to put on this page and test to see which one is going to make it very attractive, which one is going to work best for you, so that you can have a page that looks close to the original, but also will have different effects that's going to attract your your viewer so that they can actually subscribe or click on the CPA offer. So that's basically take it in a nutshell. This is your clone page, and this you'll be cloning as many of these pages as possible. And here is in the opt-in page, if the person should decide to put in their email address, and this is the join us here that we typed earlier, and they'd be able to just click here, join us, and then you would receive that email in your opt-in subscriber list. So this is take it in a nutshell. And if you should decide to pick up take it, you can go onto this bonus page here, which you will find at the bottom of this video, where you can click on any of these red buttons, and that will take you to the sales page, which I also showed you earlier. And when you click on that sales page, you'll be able to pick up take it along with these bonuses that I described to you earlier. So that's the process in a nutshell. I thank you for watching the review of Take It, and I'll see you next time.